Friends and students, welcome back once again. In today's project series, we have taken a new topic, a little innovative type of topic, which can be done by anybody of higher grade students, school students, anybody can do these projects. Well, the name of the project is using a broken Bluetooth headset. You have to make a DIY wireless speaker with a IC called, that is audio IC called TDA2003 IC. So you can see on the bottom of your screen on left hand side, there is when it was broken, I took out this particular part, that is this board from it. And on the right hand side, you can see the enclosure, like what is it exactly, where you got this board. So our project is, the Bluetooth is not working in your homes. See that if it is working, the board is working, you can do this. You can make a Bluetooth speaker. Okay, so we'll go to the next step. So what is the project overview? So it's a DIY project, that it's do-it-yourself project. We are using or repurpose a broken Bluetooth headset to create a wireless speaker. Okay, we have taken a wireless speaker with the IC, that is TDA2003, very popular IC and very cheap IC also. This allows us to salvage the working Bluetooth module from a non-functional headset and amplify the audio signal using the TDA20 circuit to drive a powerful speaker. Okay, so output will be approximately 6 to 10 watts. That is more than enough for a project. We'll see the next part. This is the project overview. Okay. Material used, you can see here, a broken Bluetooth headset, that is the PCB inside, right? It should be a working model that you have to test it. That means the crack should not be there. The TDA2003 IC, you have to take it with heatsink. Speaker, any speaker will do 4 ohms to 8 ohms. Then you need a power supply. You can use battery also. Please remember 3.3 volts to 12 volts. I have just written for that purpose. You can use batteries also. Then you have a few electrolytic capacitor, the values have been given, few resistor, micro switch, slide switch for power on off, and one volume control, that is 10K pot, we call it as, and PCB and soldering iron. These are the material what you have to gather first. All right. Now you can see here, this is the board which has come out from the broken headset. Okay, that is Bluetooth headset. So I have just given you the connections here. What are the things and all? You can charge the battery also with this. There is a micro USB adapter for charging batteries. Then on the right hand side, on the top right hand side, you have a left channel. That is, please remember, it is a stereo. Okay, so you have right channel and left channel, which can be connected to the amplifier, that is TDA2003. Then you can connect a battery, that is a rechargeable battery of 3.7 volts. So when you put a charger over the connector, that is, you want to charge this battery, suppose, so you can charge the battery also. So you have a facility of charging. There is a circuit given for charging, Bluetooth, and of course there is a microphone, but we are not using the microphone right now. Okay, so this is the amplifier circuit. Please remember, this is TDA2003 amplifier circuit. I will share all these documents with you. You can do it or you can try it by yourself. Okay, right. Now, step-by-step guide. That is, what is the step, what we have followed, or rather what I have followed. Extract the Bluetooth module. First, I have taken out the Bluetooth module. There's broken to Bluetooth module from the enclosure. Identify and desolder the Bluetooth module. That is the wires and all, the speakers, the small speakers and all connected that I have left it. Then left and right, you have to identify first from where you have taken the wire, what you have to identify, left, right, ground, and supply. Okay, right. Step 2, build the TDA20 amplifier. First, you have to build the amplifier with the help of the circuit, what I have just now shown it to you, right? With the components and all, you can make it. And step 3 is integrate the Bluetooth module with the amplifier. That means the 4 input and output connection, mainly all connections, but I have shown it to you, the supply connection and the left and right connection with the ground. And there is an on-off button also, that you have to connect it by yourself. That we will see when we go to the labs. Okay, right. Step 4, power the circuit. provide 5-volt supply, 5 to 6-volt supply you can give it. Okay, please remember the USB will have 5-volt supply only. Okay, so you can go up to 12 volts also, but for batteries it is 5-volt. Okay, then step number 5 is testing the enclosure assembly powered by the circuits. You have to test it. How you will test it? You have to switch on your mobile phone. You have to pair it with this particular device, that the PCB which has come, automatically it will show. Then you have to play some music and you can listen to the music. Okay, right. So the main objective, the project is a great way to recycle old Bluetooth. That is the main purpose of this headset, and create a powerful wireless speaker system using an efficient TDA2003 amplifier. It's a powerful amplifier. Please remember TDA2003, very cheap. Okay, you can modify the design by adding a volume control, a better speaker, or even a better power setup for portability. You can make an enclosure, you can just do the whatever you want, and you can just design it properly so that it looks good for the tasting. Okay, now we'll directly go to the lab and let's see what we have done there, and we will see the live demo also. I'm playing Bluetooth on my mobile phone, and I'm playing a song, and in this, 1 second please. So you can see the circuit, the speaker. I'm just showing it to you here. How I have connected already, we have discussed. I have given to the circuit. I'm playing this whole circuit with a 3.7 volts rechargeable battery. You can see this is the board, green color board. This is the board. From there, I have taken few wires. Please remember these small wires. Suppose you are not able to solder it, you please see that the what you call it, copper wire of a very low gauge. You just use those wires for soldering purpose. So you need B plus, as I have shown in the figure. You can see here. I will just show it again. So another song is playing. So by that time, I will just show you. So what wires are? Copper wire are used. Again, I'm playing it. Right. So small copper wire, you can see the voice is coming. Little disturbance is there. Please remember 2 switches and copper wire. Okay. You have to properly solder B plus left and right, and you can see it is connected. We are not using the microphone here, but this is the amplifier circuit. Okay, all the circuit has been given. This is volume control. You can see the potentiometer. I've kept it on other side, left hand side. This is only a working project. What live I just wanted to show it to you, right? That is the reason I have showing you this particular video. So please remember, everything has been assembled on the, especially the amplifier part, that is TDA2003 has been assembled on your general purpose PCB, and I have stick that old PCB which I have taken up from the Bluetooth module, and I have connected through the copper wires. That you have to keep it in mind. Okay, I hope this will give you a little idea like how the connections are done.